welcome back to the 2nd of December. So, to keep going with our 24 indie days of Christmas, for the second day now I've chosen to do Risk of Rain, which is an indie game I've put so many hours into. It's such a good game. It's still in development, I think. So I am just going to play it as Christmassy as I can. So start single player. I think I have all the characters. So the most Christmassy I think is maybe Acrid, because he can be like a reindeer, one of the 12 reindeers of Santa Claus. Or a loader, he can be like a loader robot in Santa Claus's workshop. Something like that, you know. Chef, no, I'm gonna be Acrid, the 13th of the reindeer that Santa doesn't bring. The most Christmassy things I have here. Enemies explode on death, that's pretty Christmassy, isn't it? Use items, no. Small monsters and drop items on death. Items are all random. Characters run faster at lower health. I'm gonna do this one because, you know, you get what you wish for on Christmas. I haven't played this in ages, so this is gonna be fun. Come on, let's go. So the point of this game, if you haven't already seen it, is to progress through these levels. I don't remember how many. To then kill a final boss. So that's our objective here, and as you can see on the right, there's something unusual, isn't there? And a timer. And you might be thinking, why is there a timer in a game that you have to do levels for? Well, it's not only for speedruns, it's also indicating how the difficulty setting is, right? Because the difficulty keeps rising with the time. So the longer you spend on a level, the harder it's going to be. And here you can see I have 4 abilities. I'm using the control level. It's on right trigger, right button, left trigger, left button. And the 4 abilities I have are on those buttons, right? So I have the normal bite that causes poison damage. I have like a shackle thing that I shoot out that does fire damage to nearby enemies. I have this what do you call it? Acid spit that poisons people, and I can put down acid on the floor, which also makes me run faster if I run on it. And you can see the items. This is a green chest, right? So here are the green items. There are different ranked items in the game. So the most Christmassy item here might be the bag, or the Guardian's Heart. It looks like a bag though, doesn't it? You know, Santa's bag, 13th reindeer in Santa's sled are stolen from Santa's bags, and is now trying to hold all of the presents for himself. What is Santa gonna do? Who knows? The one thing I'm gonna do is slaughter everything that I see. The music is so good as well. Down, 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 down. You know, when the bass drops, it's just... Oh, it's not really a bass though, is it? It's more of like the beat drops. When the beat drops, everything just goes haywire. So yes, I have 50 currency, these... Oh, a white one. So what's the most Christmassy here? Is it Christmas pudding? Yeah, let's go for some Christmas pudding. Yeah. I like Christmas pudding. Let's go for some Christmas pudding. Meat nugget. It's Christmas pudding, alright? Oh, I had 50. I could have opened that chest. So yeah, no, one thing I forgot to mention is, in each and every level you have this like teleporter you have to activate, right? And that teleporter spawns a heck of a lot of monsters, doesn't it? So yeah, for our Christmas pudding we need a life to cut it. We're gonna just get the rusty blade. It's not really the best to cut it with, but you know. And you have to survive for an amount of time until you can teleport away. Plus you have to kill all the monsters as well. See, I'm slowing the enemies, I'm poisoning, I'm stacking the poison and the fire and everything. Because that is what point of Acrid is. So I'm just gonna kill these people and farm some money so I can open a $50 chest on the right hand. So the game company that made this game is just so good. They made Deadbolt as well, which is like a stealthy 2D game where you're playing as this guy that can like teleport through vents and stuff. It's awesome. I haven't played it myself, but I'd love to do it. So yeah, you see, for Acrid's little baby reindeer, he wanted to get a teddy bear for him, so we're gonna get that right now. So yeah, this is basically the game, and the level isn't the same every time, you know. It's pretty varied, I would say. It's just a matter of finding the teleporter, plus not getting killed by these guys, because they do a hell of a lot of damage, I'm telling you. If I get caught in, like, in between two builds and they attack me at the same time, it's just horrible. I love it when I stack the poison just right, because then it just kills them so quickly. I love it a lot. Let's keep going. Kill that guy. So you can see now the difficulty is about to go over to easy from very easy. In a second, on like on the 5-minute mark, I think. Maybe. Let's see. Let's open this one. Oh, we got a use item. Nice. So the use items are like active stuff that you can use after a cooldown. So yeah. So we don't want Santa to deliver any of the other presents he has. So we took the steering wheel from his sled. Steering wheel, I say. But you know what I mean, right? And now he has to come after us and get back. There we go. Nice. Oh. Hello, come over here. Onto the acid, please. Would you like to be on some acid, good sir? So we'll get the mystery one. Okay, we'll get a white, because then we can choose ourselves, right? And because we're really evil, we cut off one of the legs of the reindeer. This is blister? No, blister, that's a whole other thing. What are those reindeers called? Starry? No. You know what? Let's just say it's Rudolph's. That would make it fun. More morbid, I should say. Over here again. So this guy is more about waiting for you guys out until they die by the effects of corpse. And I'm pretty powerful right now. I think this one spawns a chest that costs a lot of money. So yeah. So I would say that I don't know. Acrid's family buys fireworks early for New Year, so let's just do that. So yeah, I spawned this thing, which basically gives you an item if I kill the enemies that spawn from it quickly enough. So yeah, that's basically what I did. I got a chest there. I can't really get to it because there's enemies in the pit. Death horribleness. I'll just put down some poison, it's fine. Oh my god, 2 more really now. Yeah, the difficulty's really spiky there. There we go, I can open this now, and give me a scarf, because it's cold in the winter, isn't it? So yeah, there you go. Nice. So I've forgotten to actually save these items. First off, the Guardian's Heart gives me a shield, meat cube spawns meats on the ground, Rusty Blade, blue damage, Teddy Bear reduces incoming damage, the hoof, Rudolph's hoof, this is my movement speed. So I'm a faster creature. Fireworks ejects fireworks from chests when I open them and stuff, just like this. And the scarf makes me evasive. Just to be on the safe side, I am going to get the shrooms, because, you know, acid shrooms. Bustling fungus. Found them in the forest behind the house. So I think I have a pretty good idea of where the temple actually is. Back in the day I used to do this even quicker. But I'm just taking it slow now, since I haven't played this in a while. Oh, there you go. Ooh, I missed that one. Didn't turn around. Spawn a chest there in case we want it. Let's just go to the teleporter, I think, because you have to, like, I don't know, think about when you want to open the teleporter in conjunction with the difficulty, right? You can't just wait until the last difficulty and then open the teleporter, because you're just gonna die because you're on the first level and you haven't got enough items. So that's the general case of it. Oh, this jumping puzzle always gets me. It's not really, it's just platforms, man. You can jump on here and don't bother. There we go. I was on medium and went up another difficulty level. Oh, there's the teleporter, the red glow thing. Let's see here. What's this? Ooh, another use item. This one stops time, which I think is pretty good for Acrid, because you know, we want the enemy to stay on the acid for as long as possible. So you can stay alive for 90 seconds, and now a lot of enemies are going to spawn. And a boss. So there's like a level boss for each of the levels. And I'll just quickly run around there and do that. And I'll like boom, 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 there we go. Kite them around. So that guy is like a huge golem. A bigger version of these guys. So he's just gonna instantly pound them. And I don't want to stop up. These bombs are doing quite a number of them. Plus, almost dead. You don't want to get caught. I really don't. The time moves rather quickly when you're busy fighting stuff. Oh. So I guess the boss has spawned a lot of bombs. Just go over here like that and not take any chances, because after you've done the teleporter, enemies aren't going to spawn anymore after you kill them. But like the reason they're spawning now is because all the enemies haven't finished spawning, so they're not going to respawn. Which is good. You can see now without the time, you just need to kill the enemies, and it even tells me the location and the number of enemies left. Isn't that nice of it? It's going to fight. There we go. Got another item. You see, what do I get? You know, it's snowing, so let's get the charge field generator. It doesn't look like a generator, it looks more like a snowflake. I guess the really blue thing looks more like a snowflake, but charge field generator creates a charge field that deals a lot of damage. When you kill more enemies, it expands, and it's pretty handy. There we go. Do you like this? Do you like being poisoned? There you go, more poison. Oh, poison. There you go. I just want to stack as much damage with this character. That's just the gist of it. Oh, electric guitar. And all the money I've accumulated goes into my level, which increases damage, health, you know, stuff like that. This is in deep caverns. Mushrooms, underground caverns with trees in them. Or mushroom, you know, I don't know. I sort of remember every level from the back of my palm because I've played them so many times. So, you know, yeah. I sort of know where the teleport spawns most of the time. It's not really a know-how every time. New enemies, right? So these ones, if I touch them, they are going to run hard. They're gonna spawn a poison cannon. Just like that. It does a lot of damage. A lot of damage if I stand in it too long. There we go. Yeah, and the different colored enemies, they're like white outside the health bar. They're like elite enemies. So they're much stronger. And here's the teleporter. Just like I planned. And I'm pretty. Oh, yeah. That's another boss. That's a huge wisp. This is really creepy, isn't it? It looks like a person on like wisp fire. So I'm just gonna lay a field. Stop time. There we go. And then just attack. And stack the damage. There you go. It's kind of finicky to fight other enemies and the boss. As if he finds poison, he's gonna walk over it and he's a damn little man, isn't he? There we go. Killing without any enemies interfering. And what? Ooh, got a legendary item this time. What's happened there? Now we're on hard. You see, this is where things because you'll get swarmed pretty easily. The charge field generator doesn't really want to use that often. Use the funnel the enemies through here. Poison. Attack with that, and they're gonna die of poison. Just wanna get beyond the move, ladies. Beyond the move. Oh, and do that. There we go. Kill off some of them. Summon him in a mana. Okay. Have I stayed there? Dead. There we go. Nice. They actually handled this pretty good. Oh, I can't wait to choose the legendary item. So they are like the super items that bosses have a chance to drop, and they might spawn random stuff. Let's see here. So a little kid in town, he wanted a jetpack, but we didn't bring it to him because we brought Santa's list. There you go, the hit list. This is the hit list. Killing marked enemies permanently increases damage. So that's a pretty cool thing. So it's gonna mark an enemy, like this one up here, and if I kill him, in time, which is going to be a hard thing to do, it increases my damage. So just do that and kill you quickly. I don't think that did it, but you know. That's the gist of it. So I'm going to try to go for the enemies that are targeted most of the time. If I can't, I'm just going to run away. I see here. The yellow guy is marked with yellow. Oh, that nectar is so sweet. Oh, yeah. One of them is target. There we go. One remaining enemy over here. Alright, let's go get him. And it's pretty handy that the money and XP fly to you as well. Last enemy. Nope. Okay, I'm gonna just poison that. And having be marked. Please? No. Okay. Well, I tried. We have a lot of money, so I'm gonna just scout for some chests real quick to get some items, because we've only gotten the hit list so far, and it's not pretty good going to the 3rd level with only a handful of items. You know, normally when you would play with friends, ooh, I gotta use item. You would, you know, share the items between you. And for me, this is kind of a lot of items to have either way. But, you know, since I'm playing alone, it's gonna be harder, because there's only one of me, right? Oh god, I hit my controller against my desk. So I'm gonna get this one real quickly, do that, and change back. The key opens every chest in your field of view, right? What do we get? Who knows? I guess Santa offered an arm and a leg to get these presents going. Alright, cool. And here we'll get the fuel canister for the sled. Mwahaha. Santa ain't going nowhere tonight, kiddos. Delicious. I think there's 2 more levels and then the boss level. This is gonna be like an extra long video, isn't it? Yeah, I should have taken that into consideration when I was deciding to play Risk of Rain. Maybe I should have played on the easy thing. But I'm not a pussy and I don't mind it being a shorter video. God damn it. So yeah, Sunken Tombs, oh my god. This level. Underwater level. It seems to be an underwater cavern. Oh, cavern underwater. Well, or maybe not, I don't know. Let's just finish it quickly, right? Yeah, they're not too hard right afterwards. That's the Colossus. Oh shit! Oh no! 2 Colossi just spawned. Oh, that's not very good, is it? Poison that shit up. Yeah, it's not very good. Ooh, god. Because one of them is an elite boss. So yeah. Now I'm gonna have you stand on my poison, that's not very good. Yeah. I like that most of the enemies have spawned up there so we can't get down. They're probably gonna get affected with like 5 good enough. Yeah, and some of the enemies have special traits that are used against you. It's horrible. And I would rather not have them anywhere near me at all. God damn it. The sound goes kind of crazy when you do a lot of damage to a lot of enemies like that. I almost got these. It's just run. Like watching and stuff. Just fight this guy different times. And this guy as well. Oh, and I'm dead. Ah. Beep. 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 Well, I guess that's it. Oh my god. Killed by the Colossus's explosions. I totally forgot that. Oh, that the bombs do damage to you as well. That's so dumb. I don't know. But yeah, I guess that's it then. That's Risk of Rain. Happy 2nd of December. Only 22 days left for Christmas. Or people who celebrate, open the gifts on the 25th, you know, 23 days, you know. That's it. See you tomorrow with a new indie game. Goodbye. Merry Christmas.